Hi guys, this is Rich with Wild Wonderful Weekends, and today I'm at Huck Fest at the Kanawha Falls near Glen Ferris, West Virginia. Huck Fest is a one-day event that hosts a freestyle competition and a slalom competition for experienced whitewater kayakers who want to showcase their skills while going over a 15-foot waterfall. Fortunately for me, there's also plenty of space to spectate and just enjoy being on the water. There's also a photography competition for folks looking to capture epic shots of the paddlers in action. And there's plenty of opportunity for it, for sure. If you're into kayaking and you haven't been to Huck Fest, I definitely recommend it. Be aware that they do discourage parking in the lot at the falls, but they offer a free shuttle with the trailer that runs to and from the Glen Ferris Inn. If you don't want to put your kayak on the trailer, you can drop your boat at the falls parking lot, then just move your vehicle to the Glen Ferris Inn and catch the shuttle back. Anyway, I'm looking forward to coming back next year, and if you see me there, be sure and say hello. Take care.